Hello everyone, I'm Sal D'Alia for Adorama TV, and today we're going to do a quick winter wonderland shoot. We're actually in August, but you often have to shoot in studio for a winter campaign. We're currently at Sony Kando, and they prepared this beautiful studio to shoot quickly all the Sony Audio Ambassadors. We're shooting between 9 AM and 1 PM, and I have 17 ambassadors to shoot. So it's going to be a quick in and out with all of them. The way that the lighting is set up, you have a nice, bright and soft key light. What's important for a key light is that, the bigger and the closer, the softer it is. But at the same time, you don't want it to be too dramatic. So you can use a reflector to bounce back the light from below, or in this case, we're using an Astera tube. This will be a flattering light, but also at the same time, you can catch the little light in the eye, which is very important for portraits. Then we have tubes and small lights as a backlight. You can also put a big backlight, right here in the center, but in this case we have all these trees, so we have multiple, backlights that will hit the subject as well. The most important effect in a shoot like this is to get the nice soft, bokeh. And in this case, we are highlighting the bokeh using Christmas lights. All these Christmas lights will create nice soft circles right behind the subject. And that what really gives you that, whimsical winter wonderland vibe. And then an extra effect that we're adding are the crystals. We have these crystals hanging right in front of the lens. Those will give you almost like a flare effect, which really enhance that, winter wonder, like it's snowing, that kind of effect. I'm shooting with the Alpha 7R5 and the brand new 85 1.4 GM2. This new lens actually is going to be perfect for this type of shoot because the nice circle of the Christmas lights in the background are going to be nice and defined and precise, and you get so much like sharpness with the autofocus. Actually, the autofocus didn't fail once today. It was always on point, always precise, which is great, especially when you do portraits, because you want to focus mostly on directing your subject instead of thinking too much about the technical problems. My settings are pretty much the same for the whole shoot. I'm shooting ISO 100. I'm trying to shoot at f1.4, and shutter speed I'm between 250 and 400. The only time that I'm changing something is when I'm shooting products. We're also highlighting, some of the Sony products in this shoot. So in that case, the eye autofocus will always go to the eyes. So I had to go quickly to manual and focus on the product. I'm quickly editing all these photos to deliver to Sony right away. All these photos are gonna be done in 2-3 hours. And that's why it's important to have, the settings right in camera, so I don't have to spend too much time in post-production. I just do a quick tweaks for each photo and deliver at the highest resolution. If you have any comments, please leave it below. Subscribe to Adorama TV, and I'll see you next time.